I hope you're not thinking you'll be able to beat me just because you separated me and Kakuzu. No way, pal. You don't have a chance all by yourself. Even if you were an army of 100, you couldn't beat me.
I don't need 100.
Huh?
Just 2. Me and Asuma's Will of Fire. That's all the army I need.
Say what? What are you talking about, punk?
You defeated my teacher. Can't just let you go on living, running around free.
Squeak all you want. In the end, you'll just be another sacrifice.
Don't underestimate the 2 of us. Leave this one to me.
What's the matter? If you won't come to me, then I'll go to you.
Mission start.
It's going well so far, but I'll have to be careful to keep my guard up. Thought so. He's losing his cool. If I'm gonna lure him to that spot, now's the time.
Hey now, quit skittering around. I know what you're playing, kid. I can see right through you. You're just buying time until backup gets here.
Maybe so, maybe not.
Shadow stitching.
Ritual. It's my ritual. No way! I didn't even feel that. That isn't gonna work.
I didn't think it would. You killed my master. You're going to pay for that. Quit messing around.
Take that! That hurt?
Well, you're good at running.
Take that!
Roll over and die.
I'm glad you're immortal. Just means all the more pain I can pound into you. You killed my master. You're going to pay for that.
Roll over and die.
Quit messing around.
Ritual. It's my ritual.
You killed my master. You're going to pay for that.
Take that!
Roll over and die.
All right, let's settle this thing.
Yeah? Finally giving up, huh? I'm gonna torture you good.
No way!
I didn't even feel that. That isn't gonna work.
I didn't think it would.
This is for wasting my time.
I thought he might use small fry. That said, as long as they're here, my strategy won't come together. All right, I'll have to take the small fry out first.
How does it feel to be taken out by nobodies, huh?
There's no end to them. In cases like this, it's best to destroy the points of origin.
How do you
Quit
like
messing
this?
around.
Shadow stitching. Hiya! Hiya!
That's one. Where's the next one? I've got to get rid of these guys soon, or else...
If you believed in Lord Joshi, he might save you right about now.
Hiya! Hiya!
Well, you're good at running.
There are so many small fry. I'll have to destroy the sources fast. There's just no end to them. They're in the way.
Your chakra's gotta be running on empty, yeah?
The small fry are starting to thin out. Not much further to go.
Ritual. It's my ritual.
How do you like that? Shadow stitching.
Let's see how long you keep that attitude. Once I defeat the grunts, I can take my plan to the next stage.
Ritual. It's my ritual. If you believed in Lord Joshin, he might save you right about now.
Shadow stitching.
You killed my master. You're going to pay for that.
You're tough. Well, Lord Joshin expects no less from his sacrifices.
Hiya! That hurt halfway.
The leaf is full of wimps.
That hurt halfway.
I've got to get rid of these guys soon, or else...
No way!
Well, you're good at running.
You killed my master. You're going to pay for that. Let's see how long you keep that attitude. Now then, it's time to settle this.
So you didn't run away. Impressive. Impressively foolish, that is. You're gonna die here.
I've set the trap. Now I just have to spring it. I hope you're watching, Asuma.
Nobody came to help you. You bought all that time for nothing.
Shadow stitching.
Your friends have abandoned you. Or maybe Kakuzu got them?
I'd worry about myself if I were you.
Half-wit.
Hold strong. It won't matter. Lord Jashin's waiting for you.
Let him wait.
Ooh, you filthy heathen. You know what happens to unbelievers, right?
Now then, it's time to settle this.
Mission complete.
What? What is this? When did you set this up?
A while ago, before we met up again.
That little... So he was drawing me here during that fight?
A deep hole and paper bombs. You know what's gonna happen next, don't you?
Why, you...
Curses, like chickens, always come home to roost. You defeated my master. I can't just let you keep living, running around free. So I made you a grave.
I don't die. I'll come crawling up out of there and get my revenge.
But you see, this forest is a special place. Only members of my clan are allowed in here. Now, we can keep an eye on you for all eternity.
I swear, Lord Jashin will punish you. The severest judgment ever meted out!
You don't scare me a bit. Neither does your Lord Jashin. You and me, we believe in different things.
What?
Me? I believe in the will of fire.
Good work, Shikamaru.
Thanks.
I bequeath my will of fire to you.
So long.